Welcome to Blissful Garden. We share tips on caring for orchids after the flowering season, keeping them healthy and shining brightly in your living space every day. In today's video, I will introduce you to a new natural fertilizer formula that is both simple and effective. With this method, your orchids will bloom again and soon show off their brilliant colors, adding more beauty to your small garden. This is our orchid after it has bloomed and now the flowers have faded. At this stage, the most important thing is to properly treat and care for the plant. First, we need to cut off all the damaged roots. If these roots are left, they will easily grow mold inside the substrate, affecting the health of the entire orchid. Therefore, we must remove them completely to help the plant have more space to continue growing. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button to support me and so you don't miss any orchid care tips. It's great to have you along on this journey. And next, we will proceed to cut off all the faded flower stalks. When the flowers are gone, these stalks no longer have any flower buds that can sprout or produce new flowers, so we cut them close to the base to lighten the load and help the plant recover faster. Removing damaged flower stalks and roots helps the orchid to be airy, avoid fungus and keep the plant healthy. So we have finished handling the damaged roots. Next, we will continue with the next care steps as follows. In the next part, before we start fertilizing the orchid, there is an extremely important step that we must follow. That is watering to activate the roots. We use clean water and water directly at the base as well as around the roots of the orchid. The purpose of this step is to awaken the roots and cells of the plant, helping them to wake up about 15 minutes in advance. When we water and see clear water flowing out, the growing medium is clean, proving that the plant is in an ideal state to receive nutrients. Next, we put the plant out and proceed to water each other pot in the garden, each growing medium regularly. When the roots are moistened and awakened, the ability to absorb fertilizer will be much stronger and more effective. Watering 15 minutes in advance like this will completely activate the root system, helping the orchid to optimally absorb fertilizer and grow healthily. After waiting for about 15 minutes, we start to lift each orchid pot in the garden to check. Look here. The water in the growing medium is clear and clean like this, then the care and fertilization of the plants will be very effective. The water flowing out like this shows that the growing medium has been completely washed clean. The old fertilizer and salt residue that has accumulated over time have also been washed away. Clean growing medium, clear roots, that is the best condition for the orchid to be ready to absorb nutrients. When the water is clear and the growing medium is clean like this, we can confidently proceed to the next step, which is to prepare fertilizer and care for the orchid in the most effective way. Today I will use a lemon. A very familiar ingredient but has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, and at the same time stimulates orchid root growth extremely effectively. Lemon has the ability to clean, disinfect lightly and help orchids recover and grow roots very well. Now, we will take half a lemon, then cut it into thin slices to easily extract nutrients. Next, we will take out a clean container. Then, we use a filter to filter out all the residue, then squeeze half a lemon into it. What country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment to let me know. It's great that we can connect and chat with each other from all over the world. So we have finished squeezing the lemon juice, very clear and rich in nutrients. Next, we'll collect the pure lemon juice in the container. Now, we will add 500 milliliters of clean filtered water, which is half a liter of water, to create a diluted nutrient solution for the orchid. So we have completed the standard lemon juice, ready to take care of our orchid. Next, we will stir well so that the lemon juice is completely dissolved into the solution. Once the solution is mixed, we will take it out and put the orchid into the care process immediately after. Next, we will prepare another great ingredient for orchids, which is sprouted potatoes. These sprouted potatoes contain a lot of vitamins and minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, iron, manganese, which help regenerate cells and stimulate orchids to recover very well. Now we will take half of the potato, then we will cut this potato into small pieces. Here, we have cut the potato into small slices to prepare for the next step. Next, we will cut the sprouted potatoes into small pieces. Here, we will cut them evenly so that the potatoes are more fluffy. So we have finished slicing the potatoes and are ready for the next step. For the next part, we will take out a container, then put the chopped potatoes into the container. So the potatoes are ready. Next, we will proceed to the next processing step. Next, we will pour 500 milliliters of boiling water into the container containing the potatoes. Hot water will help the potatoes absorb and dissolve the nutrients. Then stir well, cover with a clean towel. We will leave it like that for a day to let the nutrients absorb completely. Next, we will take out the lemon juice bucket. Then, prepare a soft cotton pad soaked in lemon juice. Next, take out the orchid plant and take care of it directly. Use a cotton pad soaked in lemon juice to clean the orchid leaves. The top of the leaves will remove bacteria. The bottom of the leaves will remove mold, helping the plant to be clean and healthy. There, we will wipe the orchid leaves with lemon juice. This method will completely remove dirt, mold, and insects on the leaves, especially the underside of the leaves where mold and insects often reside. What orchid species are you growing? Please comment below so I can build an in-depth care guide video, specifically tailored to the characteristics and needs of that orchid species. We thoroughly wipe the entire stem and leaves, helping the plant to be clean, healthy, and ready for the next steps of care. Next, we will take out a spray bottle and pour in the nutrient water from the lemon juice. Sprinkle lemon juice evenly on the orchid leaves, both the top and bottom. The top will be clean of dirt, the bottom will remove bacteria, mold, and insects. After finishing, the dirt and mold will be gone. The leaves and stems of the orchid will be clean, healthy, and ready for the next steps of care. After taking the orchid out, we continue to spray and water each plant, making sure the surface of the leaves is clean of diseases and mold. Every 2 weeks, we carry out this process to take care of the orchid in the garden, helping the plant to stay healthy. The leaves are shiny and grow well. So we have sprayed the orchid leaves, helping to clean the leaves of dirt and effectively remove mold. After a day of incubation, Our potato nutrient water has dissolved all the vitamins and minerals. We will take it out to prepare for use on the orchid. We will take out the potato nutrient water to prepare for taking care of the orchid. Then we will use it immediately, helping the orchid absorb the maximum and grow healthily. Next, we will prepare a container, then filter out all the potato residue. Thus, we have clear nutrient water from potatoes, ready to take care of the orchid. For the next part, after filtering the nutrient water from the potato, we will prepare a container and pour the potato water in. Then, we will use it immediately to take care of our land plants, ensuring that the nutrients are absorbed to the maximum. In the next part, we will put the orchid plant in the container and start watering the nutrients directly into the base and roots, soaking them evenly into the growing medium. This helps the plant absorb nutrients from the roots to the entire plant, stimulating strong growth. Then, soak the pot for about 20 minutes, then lift the plant out. Next, we will put the plant back in the garden. Continue to water the roots and growing medium evenly so that the plant can absorb nutrients effectively and grow healthily. Continue to bring the plants in the garden to take care of. After each soaking, the orchid will be more vital and grow optimally. After soaking, we leave it for the necessary time, then lift the plant out, so that the plant can absorb the nutrients, revive and grow stronger. For the next part, after about 20 minutes of watering, we will use a clean towel to gently wipe away any remaining water droplets on the leaves or buds of the orchid. This will help remove excess water and prevent mold from growing on the leaves and buds. After wiping all the leaves and buds, we will take the plant out into the garden, place it in a place with soft light, shade and lots of indirect sunlight, so that the plant can optimize the photosynthesis process, grow and develop healthily. Wipe the remaining plants in the garden. After about 20 minutes, we will lift the land plant out and place it in a place with plenty of sunlight, helping the plant photosynthesize, grow and develop healthily. During the care process, soak the pot with nutrients. When caring for the land plant with this nutrient, we do it once every 2 weeks. On normal days, every 3 days. We will water the growing medium if it is dry and spray mist to keep the leaves moist. Then continue to place the plant in the garden, where there is full light, so that the plant can optimize the photosynthesis process and grow strongly. The results after 28 days of caring for our orchids are truly impressive. The leaves have grown plump, beautiful green and shiny, fresh and healthy. A lot of new roots have sprouted, healthy and red, growing strongly. The leaves and roots both absorb nutrients from the available kitchen, helping the leaves to be strong and bright. In particular, the flower stalks have appeared. The flowers are blooming brightly, enough for the plant to show off its colors during the upcoming New Year's Eve. The new roots are evenly spread throughout the pot, skewed strongly and covered evenly in the pot, creating a foundation for comprehensive development. During this period, we place the plant in a place with lots of warm sunlight, so that the plant can grow and develop more strongly. The leaves are smooth, shiny, the roots are dense. The flower stalks are bright red and pink, combined with the old flower axils that are still strong, helping the plant to flower evenly and beautifully. The overall plant is full of vitality and sparkle, preparing for a brilliant flowering season. The orchid plant has luscious leaves, developed roots, and uniform flowering, all thanks to proper care and natural nutrients, creating healthy and lasting results. I hope this video will help you take better care of your orchids at home. If you find it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming simple and natural orchid care tips.